Good morning, friends. Looking at the gold chart for the day, we can see that the underlying trend is still bearish, and targets of 2388 was achieved yesterday in the last hour, and 2360 is still open. Okay, now you can see from this particular chart that we have not got even the good sell opportunity. Forget about the best sell. Even the good sell was not triggered in the entire day yesterday. And even today, we missed it by a point. The good sell is not being triggered. So the way of looking at such a kind of chart is like most of the time that I have observed is that whenever we get such a scenario wherein even the good sell is not being triggered, but the market keeps going down along with the low volumes, like what we are seeing right now. Most of the time, I have observed that whenever we have such a scenario when the good sell is also not triggered, and the volumes are low. Most of the time, I have observed that there is a V kind of reversal, a sharp reversal is the effect of what we see most likely. So whether this will happen this time, I'm not sure about that, but we are looking for a kind of a sharp reversal, V kind of reversal that will take the prices all the way till the best sell here, and then you will get an opportunity to exit all the shots, whatever is there, the balance. From here, it will come down to the good sell or the final target here. Once again, the market usually gives an opportunity. From there, it will bounce like anything, like the next leg of the upside begins. This is what my understanding is. Like I have observed this many a times that whenever we are not getting the good sell being triggered, even the good sell being not triggered, most of the time I have observed that there is a kind of V kind of a reversal. So I understand that we are not getting the entry, but we can't help. We are just missing it by $1 yesterday as well as today. If you were to argue that this is an entry, this is not an entry because for this particular candle, the entry point was 2411. So the high made was 2408. So entry was not triggered yesterday also. Today also we missed it by a point. The good entry is 2404.5. The high made was 2402.4. So we missed it by $1. So basically, like whenever we have seen, I have seen this, like whenever we are not even getting the good sell to be triggered, and with very low volumes comparatively with the upside leg that we have seen, most of the time there is a kind of V-shaped reversal that will take us all the way till best sell. From there, we'll get opportunity to exit at the good sell or the major support level. So what my trade for the day is like a wait patiently, wait for this best sell to be triggered at 2415. Try to exit at 2404 or 24 um, 39392 where we are currently is. So you take a trade only at the best sell. Do not jump around, don't rush and take a trade because trading discipline is what we are going to maintain. Like as I said, if there is a V kind of reversal, you can ask me like why can't we take a reversal trade? So if you were to observe this particular entire month, we had given three reversal trades. Two have been successful, one had been a failure. So we do not want to take another chance of a reversal trade here. So that implies if you are a risk taker, you can take it, but the stop loss still remains at 2360, which is very wide. So try to take only at those levels, nearer to 2365. Those levels is what you have to take a reversal trade, not now. So that is why you are not recommending the reversal trade at this point of time. Okay. So keep in mind the morning session, we have a trade setup only at 2415. Keep a stop loss, strict stop loss at 2420. This is what we are looking out for. And the main trend, if the main trend were to reverse for the next leg upside towards 2480, 2520, that is the target main leg. For that to be triggered, we need a closing above 2424. That is what we require on the daily closing basis for the next upside to begin. Okay. or we need to get like a intraday setup changing from underlying trend bearish to that of bullish. So there are a lot of scenarios that are playing out for. Do not get confused. For the moment, keep in mind that there is a one trade open that is best sell at 2415, stop loss at 2420. That is the trade that we have for the morning session. Let's see how things will play out, and then we will decide in the evening session. The volumes that I was speaking about from the futures market, you can see that the volumes are considerably very low in comparison to that of the previous days. There was selling, some kind of selling pressure that has happened, but it's most likely the profit booking that has taken place in the morning session. So similarly, there is a kind of morning buy that has been seen. Probably in the afternoon, we could get another sell profit booking that will take place. This is the style that we are seeing in the passive side of moving sideways market. Let us see how things will go. We are not worried about the kind of correction that has been happening as long as we do not break the major support zone of 2388 and 2360. We need to break below 2360. Then the entire setup will change. As it stands, as long as we do not get a break below 2360, as it stands, we still have one more leg upside that will be towards 2480 to that of 2520. That's it for the morning session. We'll stay connected at 4 and let's see how things are shaping at that point of time. Thank you so much for watching this video.